Creating control for sexual assault victims. Right now, Georgia is working to better track rape kits. Years ago, thousands of sexual assault kits were sitting untested in labs and hospitals all over the state, and victims were left in the dark without knowing the status of their cases.
And now they can track the important evidence through a new statewide system. 11 Alive's Joe Henke has that story.
The state's sex assault kit tracking system is now operating statewide, with today marking 2 months since it launched. To date, hundreds of kits have been logged in the system, bringing transparency and accountability in response to previous rape kit backlogs.
I think sexual assault victims in Georgia certainly deserve to have access to the information.
Amy Hutzel is with the Georgia Criminal Justice Coordinating Council. She says any law enforcement agency that investigates sexual assaults and any hospital or center conducting forensic medical exams for sexual assaults should now be in the system. 800 kits have been entered since June. After a kit is collected, victims receive a website address and a kit number.
The victim then has access to information that will let them know where the location of the kit is, if the GBI crime lab has received the kit, and if that kit has been tested.
First reported in 2016, Georgia had a backlog of thousands of rape kits. The GBI eventually cleared those kits with increased funding, staffing, and time. Last year, lawmakers passed legislation creating the tracking system and a layer of accountability.
So the sexual assault kit tracking system is really the next step in making sure that we're preventing those backlogs.
They don't have to travel, they can take it from their own desk.
Kevin Angel is an instructor with the Georgia Public Safety Training Center. It created an online training course for the system officers statewide are taking. He says officers see great value in the system.
I know that a lot of the criminal investigation divisions have required this training for their detectives because it is essential, and it's nothing but an increase in our relationship with victims.
Hutzel says so far feedback is positive, and there could be ways to expand the system in the future.
It is fully functional, but as there are opportunities to continue to enhance it based on the feedback that we get from our users, we're going to continue to look at that.
I'm Joe Henke, 11 Alive News.